But something was missing. He felt a void in his life, a sense of loneliness that no amount of work could fill. It wasn't that he disliked people, but the absence of a companion left a gap he couldn't ignore anymore.
Take me home.
I'm the one. Yeah.
Jake hesitated for a moment, thinking about his busy life and the responsibilities that would come with caring for a dog.
But then, something inside him clicked.
This is exactly what I need.
At first, it wasn't easy. The puppy, whom Jake named Max, was full of energy and mischief.
He chewed on shoes, knocked over vases, and would bark at the smallest sounds in the night.
Ugh.
One night, after a particularly rough day, Jake sat on his couch, staring at his computer screen, unable to write.
They went on walks together every morning, and with each step, Jake found himself feeling more grounded, more at peace.
Good boy, Max. Oh.
Max was a reminder of the joy that could be found in small moments, in the simplicity of being present.
A year passed, and Jake's life had changed.
He had published a book, gained some recognition, and his relationship with Max had blossomed.
Hello?
Jake, we have a problem. There's something we need to discuss.
But when he walked into the office, his editor handed him a contract. We're thrilled to offer you a deal, but there is one stipulation. You would need to move to New York City to complete your book.
Jake felt a knot form in his stomach. He'd never considered leaving his quiet life, let alone moving to a bustling city. The thought of packing up everything, including Max, and starting over in a place where he knew no one, felt overwhelming.
But it wasn't just the city that was troubling him. It was the sudden uncertainty of everything.
Would Max be okay in such a fast-paced environment? Could he handle the stress of a new place? Jake wasn't sure. It wasn't perfect, and it wasn't easy, but it was theirs. Max had become not just a dog, but a symbol of loyalty, resilience, and unconditional love. Every day,
Oh, Max.
I guess we're both learning. From that moment on, their bond deepened. Max became more than just a pet.
he was Jake's constant companion, always there, whether Jake was working or simply sitting in silence.
It was as if Max knew when Jake needed space and when he needed comfort.
He looked up at Jake with those same brown eyes, now calm and steady.
Subscribe for more.